Hello, my name's Peter and I'm the proud owner of the Doors Maidstone franchise. Doors is the UK's largest kitchen facelift company, now with over 80 showrooms across the UK. Here at Doors we can do as little or as much as you would like, everything from a simple door swap to a full kitchen made to measure. You can find our Maidstone showroom on Pudding Lane, directly opposite the Fremlin Walk car park. So why not come and pop into our showroom, join us for a tea or coffee, look at some of the top brands that we've chosen to work with and just simply have a chat with us about how we can help you to improve your kitchen. I'm Peter, the team and myself look forward to seeing you soon. Doors, new life for old kitchens.